Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications. In this tutorial, let us learn all about calendars in Primavera P6. You can create and assign calendars to each resource and each activity, enabling number of working hours available in each calendar day. This Primavera module uses the calendar assignment for scheduling and tracking activities and leveling resources. So in this tutorial, let's see in detail how to add and modify calendars. First, let us see how to add a calendar to your database. You can add unlimited number of calendars and can assign activities and resources with these calendars. If you go to the calendar section from the menu bar, you can see the three types of calendars. Those are global, resource and project type. Global calendars are those which can be applied to all the projects in the database, which is a master. Project calendars show us the pool of calendars that are applied for each project of your organization. And resource calendars is the pool where it shows the calendars that are being followed for resources. To add or create a new global calendar, you need to go to Enterprise in the menu bar and click on Calendars. Choose the Global Calendars option and click on Add button. In this dialog box, you need to select the calendar which you want to make a copy of. For example, I'm selecting this 7 by 24 hours days calendar and click on this plus assign button. Give a name here for the new calendar. Let's say new calendar. To edit this new calendar, select it and click on modify button. Make the required changes over here. If you want to see where all this calendar is applied, you can see the same by clicking on this used by button. You can see here what all projects and resources are using this calendar currently. To create the resource or project calendar, you should be following the same process by selecting the type of calendar accordingly. You can use more than one calendar in a project when you want to schedule your activities with different timings. To assign calendar to each activity, you need to select the activity, go to the details section at the bottom, and in the General tab, here you can select the activity calendar. Now let's see how to modify the calendar. Go to Enterprise tab, click on Calendars, choose the calendar's type, say Project, select the calendar and click on this Modify button. If you click here on April 2016, you can see different months of 2016 like this. And if you click on this April month, you can define the number of working hours by selecting a particular day and changing the value working hours per day here. If you click on the Work Week button, you can define the standard work hours for each day of a week. Say, if you want to make Saturday as non-working day, you need to put value as 0 and click OK to see that Saturday is marked as non-working day with a color format as that is non-work period, whereas all the gray colored cells are the work days. So click on this work week to set the standard working hours for each day of a week. Click on this time periods to define the number of working hours for each specified time period like per day, per week, per month and per year. If you want to see the detailed work hours per day, click on this detailed work hours per day to clearly see that blue colored cells are non-working time periods and others it is working times. If you want to change the working to non-working or vice versa, you need to double click on these cells like this. Close this window now. Now let us see the settings of these calendars. Go to Edit from the menu bar and click on User Preferences. Go to Dates tab and set the date format here. Go to Time Units tab. You can set the units of time as any of these options like hour, day, week, month, or year. Let us keep it as hour. Even you can set the duration format by selecting it from this drop-down menu. Okay, close this dialog box now. Now, Admin Preferences. Go to Admin tab and click on Admin Preferences. Go to Time Periods tab. Here you can set the number of work hours for each time period, which we have already seen in the Time Periods option earlier. So this is how we set the number of hours for each time period. Okay, close this also. Now let's see how to delete. In order to delete a calendar, go to Enterprise, click on Calendars, click on any calendar. So click on this delete button to delete from all of our databases. Okay, close this window now. So friends, this is all about the calendars in Primavera P6. I hope you have understood this video tutorial. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please do subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.